Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing your phone and computer. Connect the lightning cable to your iPhone and PC or Mac, and make sure cellular data is active so the phone can share it. Once connected, unlock the iPhone and respond to the "Trust this computer" prompt. This authorizes the USB network interface. Make sure Personal Hotspot is turned on in Settings. This is the only iPhone method that exposes internet over USB. Do this now so the system can detect a new network adapter. Now configure your computer so it uses the iPhone connection. On a Mac, open Network Preferences. Select the iPhone USB interface and set it to use DHCP, then Apply. On Windows, open Network Connections and look for Apple Mobile Device Ethernet. Enable it and ensure IP4 is set to obtain an IP automatically. If Windows doesn't show the adapter, install or restart iTunes and the Apple drivers, then reconnect the phone. Doing this creates the routed path between your computer and the carrier network. Finish by testing the link. Load a web page or run a quick speed test to confirm internet access through the iPhone. Once done, turn off Personal Hotspot before unplugging to avoid stale interfaces. If it fails, make sure you trusted the computer, then toggle Personal Hotspot off and on. Update iOS and iTunes, or reboot both devices. This clears driver and DHCP problems. As a single troubleshooting tip, if the adapter never appears, reinstall Apple drivers via iTunes and
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.